Orioles are beautiful songbirds that are mostly bright yellow and black or maroon and black in color. They are usually shy birds and not easily seen in the treetops, but may be detected by their loud whistling and jarring songs. In India, there are 6 species of orioles. Black-hooded oriole is a resident breeder in tropical southern Asia, from India to Sri Lanka and eastwards to Indonesia. They are widely distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent. They are bright yellow in color with a distinct black hood, wings and tail. Male is strikingly bright yellow with black head, breast, black flight feathers and a red bill. Female is drabber with greenish underparts but still has the black hood. Juveniles are duller overall with a white streaked throat and have a darker bill. They mostly prefer the peninsular India and visits North India during summers. They feed on insects and fruits, especially figs found in the tree canopies where they spend much of their time. Black-naped oriole have a pinkish bill. Their tail and wings have yellow tips. They are found in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, south, east and northeastern parts of India. They are bright yellow in color with a broad black eye band. Male is strikingly golden yellow apart from black wings and tail and have a broad black band through their eyes. Females have a more yellowish green underparts. They lay 2 to 3 eggs which are salmon pink with reddish spots. The nests are often built in the vicinity of the nest of a black drongo. 2 or 3 nests may be built by the female and one is finally chosen for laying eggs. Juveniles show streaked underparts. Their broad black eye stripe connects back of their neck. Eurasian golden oriole are shy and difficult to see well despite their bright colors. They tend to remain well hidden in the foliage of the tree canopy. They are mainly found in the north and northwestern parts of India. They can be identified by their black eye stripe, which doesn't extend behind their eye. Male is golden yellow with black wings and tail. Females and immature are greenish yellow overall with variable fine dark streaking below and a stout reddish pink bill. Their call is a series of beautiful fluting songs. The clutch size is 3 to 5 eggs that can be white, cream or very pale pink and are decorated with black marks. They usually place their deep cup-shaped nest high on a tree towards the edge of the crown below a horizontal fork of thin branches. Indian golden oriole were earlier considered to be a subspecies of the Eurasian golden oriole, but is now considered a full species and are distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent. They can be identified by the black eye stripe which extends behind their eye. Males are bright yellow overall with black wings and inner tail feathers. The black eye stripe gives a masked appearance. Kindly note the yellow patch on the wings and the yellow outer tail feathers. Female is dull greenish yellow overall with dirty greenish brown wings and a yellowish green tail. Both sexes have red iris. They generally give a harsh call while feeding. Immature birds look similar to the female but have a darker bill. They are capable of dispersing the seeds of many berry-bearing plants and also have been recorded preying on southern flying lizards. Maroon Oriole are large pale-eyed songbirds found in the Himalayas, Arunachal Pradesh and northeastern parts of India. They have a maroon and black plumage with bluish beak. Male is blood red with inky black head and wings. Female is similar but have streaked underparts. Juveniles have streaked underparts with a lighter body compared to females. Their nesting season is from April to May, and both male and female birds share the parental duties. Coloration of these birds varies across range. The Indian subcontinent species have duller colors compared to those in Southeast Asia. Slender-billed oriole looks very similar to black-naped oriole but have a longer, thinner bill and a thinner black eye band. They are mainly found in the northeastern parts of India. They have a long lipstick red bill and an elegant black band across the eyes. Juveniles have streaked underparts and have no eye bands. Their song is a brief phrase of elegant whistled notes, while the loud, jabbering call is confusingly similar to that of a woodpecker. Their preferred natural habitats are subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests and subtropical or tropical moist montane forests.